Hola amigos, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to teach you the verb to be in Spanish with its usages. But before that, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Let's get started. So, I'm gonna conjugate this verb. After that, I'm gonna explain something else. When do we use this verb? The verb to be in Spanish is ser, ser. Yo soy, I am. Tú eres, you are, singular. Él es, he is. Ella es, she is. Usted es, you are, but it's very formal. Nosotros somos, we are. Masculine or masculine and feminine with each other. Nosotras somos, we are, but only feminine. Vosotros sois, you are, plural form, and masculine or masculine and feminine with each other. Vosotras sois, you are, only feminine and plural. Ellos son, they are, masculine or masculine and feminine with each other. Ellas son, they are, only feminine. Ustedes son, you are, plural form, is the formal one of vosotros, vosotras. So, when do we use the verb ser in Spanish? Number one, to identify a person or a thing. As an example, esta es María y este es Juan. This is Maria and this is John. Another example, yo soy María, I'm Maria. Él es mi hermano. He is my brother. Number two, to describe a person or a thing. As an example, yo soy alta y delgada. I'm tall and thin. My friend is very beautiful. Mi amiga es muy bonita. Another example, I want to say my classmate is handsome. Mi compañero de clase es guapo. Number three, it's used to say nationalities. As an example, ella es española. She is Spanish. I want to say we are Italians. Nosotros somos italianos. Now, if I want to say we are Italians, but only feminine, all of us are girls, women, I have to say nosotras somos italianas. Nosotras somos italianas. I want to say my friend is French. Mi amiga es francesa. Or mi amigo es francés. Number four, it's used for possession. As an example, este móvil es de María. This is Maria's cell phone. And number five, it's used for profession or jobs. As an example, yo soy profesora. I'm a teacher. Él es mecánico. He is a mechanic. Mis amigas son peluqueras. My friends are hairdressers. Now let's do some tests. I want to say I'm Spanish. You tell me the answer. Which one is correct? Yo, eres, es, soy española. Very nice. Yo soy española. Number 2. I want to say he is handsome. Él es, eres, sois. Yeah, very nice. Él es guapo. Number 3, I want to say they are mechanics. Ellos, sois, somos, son mecánicos. Which one is correct? Yes, ellos son mecánicos. These are Martin's cell phones. Estos móviles soy, es, son de Martín. Very nice. Son de Martín. Estos móviles son de Martín. And next, I want to say we are Maria's friends. Nosotras son, somos, sois las amigas de María. Yes, nosotras somos las amigas de María. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Have a nice time and hasta luego.